Good afternoon, ma. So, in business statistics subject, today we are going to discuss the mean missing frequency, that is double missing frequency. In the previous class, I have discussed missing frequency regarding discrete series and continuous series. Okay, so there, if one frequency has missed, we have calculated over there. But in this question, two frequencies are missing. See, once you see here, two frequencies are missing here. So in that situation, how we have to calculate? See, once you see the question here, a complete distribution is given below. So class intervals he has given. So class intervals how he has given 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 40, 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 he has given. And frequency what he has given 12, 30, okay, 65, 25, 18. In that way he has given. And mean how much he has given 46. N is equal to how much he has given 229. Calculate missing frequency as asked. Okay. So listen carefully, ma. In case of double missing frequency, calculation part will be more. So if you are not able to understand, once again you see the video and then you do the problem. Okay, clear, ma? It is very important question. Clear? Okay. So now same like continuous series, how we have done. Okay, mean in that way only we have to do here. But here I am using a direct method. Okay, direct method formula I am using here. So once you see here, class intervals I have taken. Frequency I have taken. So frequency, see here, 12, 30. Here the frequency is missing. That's why I have written here F3. 40 to 50, 65. 50 to 60, F5. Here also the frequency is missing. That's why I have taken here F5. Or else you can take here X or Y, anything as you like. But I have taken here F3 and F5. And 6 to 7 to 25. And 70 to 80, 80 has given 18. Okay, mid values. Mid values same like previous problems itself. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, how much? 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, how much? 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, how much? 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, how much? 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, how much? 55. Okay, in that way you have to calculate the mid value. Afterwards, F into M. 12 into 15, 180. 30 into 25, 750. F3 into 35, 35 F3. 65 into 45, 2925. 55 into F5, double 5 F2. Sorry, this is not F2, it is F5. It is F5. Okay. 25 into 65, 1625. 18 into 75, 1350. Now what we have to do here? Add. Total FM you should add, then you will be getting a sigma F1. So here, first you take the values. 180, 750, 2925, 1625, 1350. After adding the values, how much we got here? 6830 we got. Plus 35 F3 plus, okay, 55 F5. 55 F5. Okay, separately we have taken ma. We should not add 35 and 55. So 35 F3 plus 55 F5. Okay, that is nothing but sigma FM. Next, N is required for us now. So N what we have to do? Add now. 12, 30, 65, 25, 18. Okay, total adding will be how much you have got? 150 plus F3 plus F5. Why? Because here F3 and F5 only we have to find. F3 and F5 we have to find. Okay, so but actually N value how much he has given in the question? 229 he has given. N value how much he has given? 229. Okay, but here N is how much? 150 plus F3 plus F5. Nothing but N is equal to 229 ma here. N is equal to 229. Nothing but F3 and F5. If suppose for this 150, if you are adding F3 and F5 values, then the total N value will be 229 here. Clear? See now. Mean formula. What is the mean formula here? Sigma Fm by N. Continuous series mean formula is sigma Fm by N. Now N is equal to how much here? How much he has given the question? 229. And N how much we got here? 150 plus F3 plus F5. So now here N is equal to how much? 229 na? N is equal to how much? 229 is equal to nothing but in this N place I have taken this value is equal to 150 plus F3 plus F5. Now 229 minus 150. This 150 you bring this side. So 229 minus 150 is equal to F3 plus F5. So 229 minus 150 is how much here? 79. So 79 is equal to F3 plus F5. First you subtract here. 79 is equal to F3 plus F5. Now either, see ma here, F3 or F5, any value bring this side. Okay. So I have bought this side F3. F3 is equal to 79 minus F5. Nothing but for getting the F3 value, what I have done here means 79 minus F5. If suppose I am doing 79 minus F5, then I will be getting a F3 value. So how we have to do? This is a way in case of double missing frequency. If suppose n is given and n this much we got, first of all we have to do in this way. Now I am going to apply the mean formula. So mean is how much my here? 46. That is given in the question itself. And sigma fm how much we got here? 6830 plus 35 f3 plus 55 f2 divided by 150 plus f3 plus f5. 150 plus f3 plus f5. Okay. Next 46 as it is I have written here. So 6830 plus now f3 here 35 is there na? 35 f3 is there. F3 is how much ma here? F3 is nothing but 79 minus F5. Little bit of calculation part will be there. Okay, don't get so much anxiety. You can listen. After listening carefully, now you can do the formula. You can do the sum. Okay, so here what is happening is F3 is what ma? F3 is nothing but 79 minus F5. So F3 is what ma here? I have substituted F3. At the place of F3, what I have written here? 79 minus F5 I have written plus 55 F5 as it is. Okay, now 150 again F3 place 79 minus F5 plus F5 as it is. So minus F5 plus F5, strike it off. Okay, next 46 is equal to 6830 plus 35 into 79. What I have done it is 35 into 79 minus 35 into F5 minus 35 into F5 plus 55 F5 divided by 150 plus 79 as it is I have written. Once again see it is in the form of A into B minus C form. What I have done? AB into AB minus AC I have done here. That's it. Okay, so 46 is equal to 6830 as it is. 35 into 79 how much we got here? 2765 minus 35 F5 plus 55 F5. Okay, here how much n is called 150 plus 79 is 229. Now cross multiply ma. Okay, 46 into 229 bring this side is equal to, add now 6830 plus 2765. After adding how much we got here? 9565 plus 30 minus 35 F5 is there plus 35 F5 is there here. So variable is same. Then what we have to do here? 20 F5. 55 minus 35. How much we got here? 20 F5. Okay. So multiply 46 into 229. How much we got here? 10534 is equal to 9595 plus 20 F5 as it is, right. Now this 20 F5 bring this side ma. Okay, then how much you will be getting? Minus 20 F5 is equal to 9595. This 10,534 bring this side. Here plus is there na? After bringing this side you will be getting a minus 10,534. Okay. Now what we have to do means minus 20 F5 as it is, you write. Afterwards here what you have to do? You have to deduct it. Why? Because minus value is more, we have to take the minus value. Okay, after subtracting how much we got here? 939 we got. Minus cancel. Minus cancel. So F5 is equal to 939 divided by 20. Here multiplication is there, multiplying, bringing this side it will become a dividing. Okay, 939 divided by 20. So F5 how much we got here? 46.95 F5 we got. Now this F5 we have to substitute in this here. That F5 should be substituted here. Okay, that's what I have done here. So F3 is equal to 79 minus F5 how much we got here? 46.95. So F3 is equal to how much? After subtracting it, F3 is equal to how much ma? 32.05. So F3 is equal to 32.05 and F5 how much we got? 46.95. Okay, so listen carefully ma, it is very very important. Calculating double missing frequency, little bit of calculations will be there. But if you are understanding in a good, if you are understanding, you can do the problem. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay, and one more thing, no, all except 2 or 3 or 4 girls, only 4 girls. What they are doing means they are doing the answers and they are WhatsApping me. From boys there is no response, and from remaining girls also I did not got till now any answers. So what I will say is not, please do the sums. Nothing but purchase the textbook. From textbook section to I think exercise 3A, exercise 3 or 2A is there. So please do those problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.